When we talk about coding, what is the first thing that pops up in your mind? Is it this or this? Young children don't code this way. Coding is much more fun for them. If your child is in preschool, they have limited vocabulary. Check out ScratchJr. It is an app available on both Android and iOS. It is designed for young children to code by dragging and dropping using their fingers. The blocks are graphical and intuitive. Young children put them together. They can easily create something. If your child is in primary school, try Scratch. Coding with Scratch is on this website. It's still dragging and dropping. There are limited words in the commands. All the words are very simple, like move, forever, if else. Both ScratchJr and Scratch are not real programming languages. They are specially designed for children to learn coding the way they play Lego, stacking blocks together. If your child has started secondary school, try Python. Python is a real programming language used by many big companies like Facebook, Google, Instagram, Netflix, Spotify. It is a text-based coding language. No more dragging and dropping. Your children can start coding Python on websites like Trinket.io or Replit.com. When they get serious about coding in Python, they can install software like PyCharm or Visual Studio. Please take note, all these are general guidelines. It may not be suitable for all children. If your child is in secondary school, but he finds that Python is a bit challenging, don't worry, go back to Scratch and have fun there. Or if your child is in upper primary but finds that Scratch is too easy for them, don't bother them with Scratch. Try Python instead. Coding is just a tool to help develop their problem-solving skills, logical thinking skills, and creativity. The format of the tool is not important. Developing the skills using these tools are far more important. Education should never be a one-size-fits-all. Don't compare your children with other children and feel proud or stressed. Choose the coding language that your children are most comfortable with. I have made videos for all 3 coding languages on my channel. Take a look and get an idea how different coding languages look like. After your children try and choose the coding language they are most comfortable with, hop on to my next video. I'm going to put a link at the end of this video when it is available. In that video, I'm going to share different ways for children to start coding. There is no single best way that are suitable for all children. Choose wisely and let them have fun. That is the best motivation.